Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted anything in so long, but it's just dealing with life and everything that I just put my channel on the back burner. But now I'm going to try and be more consistent and put more time and energy onto what I love, which is beauty. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, this chocolate look here, just please keep on watching. Please like and subscribe as well. It's free, so I really appreciate it. Thank you. First off, I already moisturized my skin. I put primer on my skin. I used milk primer, and now I'm going to use Fenty foundation in 420. I tend to maybe use 410, 420 or 430, depends on the time of year, but I really like this foundation. So yeah, let me get started. And I have primer. I know I look a bit oily because of the light, the background lights and everything, but my skin is fine, like up close it's fine. I know just with the lights and everything, it just like shows all your flaws and every freckle, everything. I know everyone put their makeup on different, and everyone has their little way of how they're comfortable with makeup. They're obviously with makeup, there's no rules to anything. You just, some people do their eye makeup first before they put foundation on. I feel like when I do my makeup in person, I don't need a lot, but when you're doing it on camera, for everything to come up on the camera, you need to put more. Now I'm going to use a sponge to work it all the way in and smooth out the texture of my skin. Now I'm going to use concealer now, and these ones are from Trate, and the ones I'm using is Deep Sand and the other one is Deep. I tend to use maybe 1 or 2 concealers when I do my makeup, just so I can get everything how I like. When you put concealer on, you always look a bit crazy. Just to cover up all the blemishes and dark spots. When I put foundation on as well, I always make sure I get my neck as well, just so everything can blend into one color. Okay, I've finished concealing my face, so now I'm going to use my setting powder to bake my face. So I'm going to use Fenty in Nutmeg and also the Anastasia Buttercup setting powder. I tend to use both of them together, and they tend to work pretty well and fine. I don't have any issues with using different setting powder. I just tend to shake my setting powder and take the lid off just carefully, and then just use the setting powder that's like in the lid, and then swirl the sponge all up in there, and then put it on. So now I'm going to use the Fenty setting powder, because this is more brown than this one, the Anastasia Buttercup, that's more yellow, just so I can have a balance of the setting powder to make my skin look more matte, because I have just very, very oily skin. So I'm just going to put the Fenty powder on top of this one. I tend to put it around my mouth as well. now that's done. So now I'm going to do my brows. My brows just take so long to do. It can take like 10-15 minutes just so my brows are done just the way I like them. It just takes so long. I don't know why, but I just like my brows to be a statement. So for my brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. So I'm gonna like do my brows off camera. I'm going to do my brows off camera because I tend to just do my brows so long, and I'll come back. Right, so my brows are done, so now I'm going to brush off this. So now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to use this Nars eyeshadow base. I tend to use this because it makes the color of the makeup more vibrant on your face, or well, on your eyes. And I got this one. They do them now. They have white, like pure white, like this is white, and they have like this chocolate brown. They have like other colors as well. Ooh, that's what it looks like. I'm just going to use my fingers now to blend this in. And it's a bit sticky, so it's a good thing because it will make your eyeshadow stick on your eyelid and don't move. So now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to use this little makeup palette, this chocolate makeup palette from Huda. I bought this from Huda Beauty when it came out, and it's just been sitting there and I haven't used this yet. So now today I'm so excited to try this and get this little chocolate look going on. Oh, it's so hard to open. Ah. Because I have this for so long, I don't even remember what it looked like inside. Oh, it's so chocolatey. I think I'm going to maybe from this palette, I think I might use like these three and maybe this one here. I'll try that one. I'll see what look I can come up with, because I'm just winging it I am just absolutely winging it at this moment right now. I tend to not like really plan a makeup look. I tend to just, when I start, I just go for it. And whatever I'm feeling, that's what I go with. So I'm going to use this Huda brush. And I'll use this dark color for my outer eye. So my outer eye is complete. So now for like the center of my eye, I might use like that really chocolate color, chocolate brown. It's all about blending, 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 blending. So now I'm going to use this color on top of this brown that I used. So pretty. Getting excited over makeup. Then I'm gonna go back and use this darker color again, just to blend out like the edges. Now I'm going to use the gold shadow to put in my inner tear duct. The noise. It's like I live in the ghetto. We're in the ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
So now I'm done with that. So now I'm going to use my eyeliner, and this one is also from Huda Beauty as well. Shake this up. This is a 2-in-1, I think a pen and an eyeliner. I'm going to use the eyeliner part. Okay, so now I'm going to put some lashes on. I'm not really good at putting lashes on, so it will take me a minute to put that on. So I'll put my lashes on and come back. I want to have this look a very like natural lash, so I'm going to use this Eylure number 1005. They're very natural, they're not like too dramatic or anything, so I'll put these on and go from there. Now this is like the last one in there as well. Okay, so my lashes are on, so now I'm going to put mascara from Fenty Beauty. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to use MAC lip liner in Cork. You really can't see it because it's like so similar to my skin color. But it's there. So now I'm going to use Nars Lip Glade in Aria. And then on top of that, I'm going to use Nars Lip Butter in Parline. So now the last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of highlight on, and I'm going to use Fenty in Trophy Wife.